Please subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, this is Ugu Emmanuel from Luminous Creations once again. Please watch this video to the end so that you see links to where you could download amazing fonts. So today I'll be showing you how to install your downloaded fonts on Pixel Lab. So with our new text, we'll go to our fonts. Pixel Lab provides us with a lot of fonts when we download, as you can see from our list of fonts here. But if you're using your Pixel Lab for the first time, if you go to My Fonts tab at the top here, when you go to My Fonts, Pixel Lab automatically creates a folder in the memory that you have installed your Pixel Lab, and that folder will be named Fonts. So Pixel Lab also provides you with an icon for you to import just your fonts, and then after it provides you another one to install a folder containing fonts. So if you've come here, if you head over to your file manager, you will see the folder named fonts, for which if you've downloaded your desired fonts, you can copy from your download folder and paste them into your fonts folder for them to appear in Pixel Lab for you. As you can see, those are my downloaded fonts that I pasted in my fonts folder created by Pixel Lab. So if I come to my fonts, you can see them all lined up here. So from here you can even get to delete and then bring in from the icons I just showed you at the top. Then you can change to your various fonts. That is how easy it is for you to get your downloaded fonts into your Pixel Lab